Hello world, my name is Chris. Welcome to iTECHFACE. Basically what I'm going to show y'all today and help y'all with today is, life skills. I'm Life Skills Chris. I'm an engineer as well, project manager. I love computers. I always loved computers ever since I was growing up as a kid. One of the PCs I prefer is HP, Hewlett Packard. What I'll be showing y'all today is how to change out memory, how to change out RAM. I will be using this, screwdriver. I have the RAM, the memory actually is 4 gigabytes each, which is 8 gigabytes in total. I do have RAM in the Hewlett Packard PC, so in total I'll have about 12 gigabytes. But this maxes out to 16, so I'll get probably another cartridge later and slide it on in. My name is Chris James. Thank you for tuning in. Life Skills Chris, iTECHFACE. Thank you. Let's get to it, y'all. So right here is a little screw on the end. Always look for that screw on the end. If you find that you don't see the insides and it's like you can't see the RAM on the inside, then that's not the right side. So you have to unscrew this like this. Let me get this out. Let me get this out. You could use your, once it come out a little bit, you could use your fingers to pull it out. Now next, you want to turn it around on the side. You want to slide the door off right here. Now, like I said, if it's something blocking it and you can't see the RAM or the memory or the motherboard and it's facing at a closed angle, then that's not the right side. So we're gonna slide this off right here. So I'm gonna find, it's like a little knot, and find this right here. Voila. Look at that, baby. Look at that beaut. That's oh man, I love to see this. Fan right here. Fan. Hard drive. CD-ROM up there. Okay, so look, located the memory, the RAM. So these two together is 4 gigabyte. Now I have some RAM over here, so I'm gonna go and get the RAM. I'm gonna open up the RAM for you, but the RAM is right here. It's right here. So I'm gonna let you look on in it, let you glaze on in how it looks. Look at this, 4 gigabytes each of RAM. I got this from Newegg. So I'm about to slide these babies in so this computer could work a little bit faster. These are little, latches where you pull these down. So I'm getting these latches ready. So it got 2 slots left open. I gotta go in there and work, y'all. I'm gonna show you the after effect when I'm done adding the RAM. You see right there where those little 2, latches at? I unlatched it. So I just pulled it back. One at the top, one at the bottom, one at the top, one at the bottom. Pulled it back on both of them. I'm about to get dirty, y'all. And I'm about to add this RAM in there. 4 gigabyte RAM, total 8. Slide it in. Make sure you hear the click, y'all, and make sure it's pushed in well. Looks beautiful. Work of art. I love engineering. I love computers. I love building websites and doing things like this. Life Skills Chris, iTECHFACE. I'm about to show y'all how it looks. If you look right here in back of the cable, you can see I added both of the RAMs, 8 gigabyte total, 4 gigabytes each. So the computer should be moving a little bit faster now. You know, I edit movies and things of that nature, and I needed to speed it up a little bit. So what I did for y'all today is put in about 8 gigabytes of memory and this HP Pavilion. Like I said, HP is one of my favorite PCs. Great computer. I love it. I do a lot of things with HP. I love working with HP. And I just love HP, you know, and I don't even have a sponsorship with HP. I just want to do this just to show y'all how to put in memory and just to actually speed up my computer. But if HP do want to sponsor, you know, you can holler at me. Thank y'all for watching. The computer is now up to 12 gigabytes in RAM. I might just get probably add like 4 more. Yeah, 4 more gigs. Thank y'all for watching. I love this. It's a beaut. I love computers, man. You know how people like dogs and stuff like that? That's how I love my computers and my PCs, and I probably got like a couple PCs, you know. So thank you for watching. You know, give me feedback, y'all. Make sure you subscribe too. Thank you. Have a blessed day.